I'm Steve Simpson from TI Squared, also known as Technology Integration and Innovation. If you're watching this, you've probably heard the noise. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, in the news, in our pockets, and yes, in education. But for many of us, it still feels a bit abstract, or maybe just a bit overwhelming. Here's the promise of this series. We're not here to turn you into a computer scientist. We aren't here to hype up the latest shiny toy. Our goal is to help you clear your plate. We want to show you how this technology can handle the repetitive, draining tasks that eat up your day, so you can get back to the human side of your job, whether that's teaching, leading, or supporting our campuses. Today, we start with the basics. What is it? Where did it come from? And why does it matter right now? First, let's define our terms. You've actually been using AI for years. When Netflix suggests a movie you might like, or your email app finishes your sentence for you, that's traditional AI. It analyzes data to make a prediction or a recommendation. It's helpful, but it's limited to what it's been trained to categorize. The specific technology we're focusing on in this series is generative AI. Unlike the old AI, generative AI doesn't just predict, it creates. It can write a lesson plan, draft a difficult email, design an image, or summarize a 50-page document in seconds. Think of it this way. Traditional AI is like a librarian who can find the exact book you specifically asked for. Generative AI is like a research assistant who reads the book for you, summarizes it, and suggests 3 ways to teach it to your class. The Big Bang moment happened in November 2022 with the release of ChatGPT. Suddenly, you didn't need to know how to code to use AI, you just needed to know how to chat. Since then, adoption has been faster than the internet or the smartphone. Why? Because it lowers the barrier to entry. We're seeing trends shift from AI as a novelty to AI as a daily utility. In education specifically, we're moving away from fear and toward AI literacy, understanding how to use these tools safely and ethically to support our work. That's where Arlington ISD stands. We aren't hiding from it. We're building a framework to use it responsibly. So what does that look like to you? This training series isn't a random collection of tools. It was built in partnership with the AISD AI Council, a group of your peers, including teachers, administrators, and district staff. They helped us identify quick wins, high-impact, low-stress ways to use AI immediately. For example, in Lesson 4, we'll look at AI for communication. We'll show you how to take a rough bulleted list of notes and turn it into a polished, professional email to parents or staff in just seconds. In Lesson 5, we'll explore AI for coaching, where the AI acts as a non-judgmental partner to help you role-play difficult conversations or brainstorm professional goals. We're focused on safe, practical applications that give you time back in your day. You don't need to master every tool. Success in this series looks like finding just one workflow that makes your life easier. Ultimately, we hope that you discover new ways to save time, work more efficiently, and maybe a little more joyfully too. But before we start clicking buttons, we need to talk about the rules of the road. AI is powerful, but it requires human judgment to be safe. In the next lesson, we'll cover the AISD guiding principles for the use of AI and the AISD staff AI usage matrix. We'll discuss exactly how we use these tools ethically to protect our students and our data. I'm Steve Simpson, and I'll see you in the next video.